What's going on, guys? As you can see, my boat is finally pretty much done. I'd say it's like 98%. I gotta do a few little, but I'm definitely taking it out this week. But today I am doing this Livewell work on this Parker I've had here for a few months. He's coming to get the boat, and I should probably get it done. That's the blessings and the curse of having work in your yard sometimes, because some minor inconvenience, you just go right inside and sit on the couch. But yep, we're gonna hop in here, maybe give it a bath before he comes here, but this is what we're gonna change. I got everything. Gotta add another through hole, float switches, 2 bilge pumps, 2 Livewell pumps, and the hose. Oh, and bigger through hole fittings for the bilge pumps, because he's got like the smallest bilge pumps known to man in there. Yeah, let's get to it. All right, got everything unboxed, ready to go. I'm gonna hop in here and start cranking this stuff off. All right, so first step, I'm gonna get this fitting out, and then we're also gonna take this pump and this through hole out. I'm gonna put a larger through hole here. Then we're gonna have Livewell pump on an angle, one here and one right here. It's about the best we could do, to be honest. Oh. Oh. These are the kind of angles that make you poop your pants. Oh. That sucks in every way possible. So humid out already. Gotta set up the tarp. Oh. That sucks. Oh man. Yuck. Oh yeah, look at this one. It's got a big pample. I can't believe these little baby bilge pumps are in here. I don't even have this in my flats boat. This is for like a shower sump. Alright. Look at these big boys. I think he's going to be happy with the flow. What do you think? Alright, I got the 90 in to the adapter so I can run this size Livewell. I got the nipple to go on here. Boom. But I've been sitting here for a long time, you know, staring at this, getting the old fittings out, blah blah blah, putting the bilge pump bases in. I'm sweating. I got the 10 up. Should probably put my fan on, right? Alright, that's tight. Now let me spin this a little more. Oh yeah, freaking beautiful. Alright, now I gotta get another through hole in and bing bang boom. So the most important thing about putting stuff in your bilge for live wells and washdown pumps is the access you have to open and close these valves, because if something happens, these are your emergency valves. And my biggest problem working in bilges is people just forget about them. They don't move them every so often to make sure they work, first of all. Second of all, you can't even access them. And some of these newer boats, you can't even see them, and they have a freaking stick, a metal rod, aka a stick, that bends, that's hooked up to these things that you gotta pull and push. These things are hard enough to move when you put your hand on them. Oh. Alright, so this valve right here, that's where I'm gonna put it. It's gonna be up a little higher, but not as high as this one. So I'm gonna have both these pumps like something like this. It's gonna be tight in here, but you can at least access and work on all the stuff that's in here without wanting to punch yourself in the head too much. You probably still will. One plus is this tarp is amazing. What's up, Alvis? I almost just had to go to the store because I needed a 1-inch NPT nipple, and I was like, let me just check the van. Maybe. I'm very disorganized in here because this is my first time working out of a van, but I had one. Woo! Alright, next, just got to drill a hole for the through hole. I'm going to do that in a little, maybe in like the next hour. Wait for the sun to go down a little, because that's the beauty of working home. Yeah, let's plug in his little battery charger. Is it lighting up? I can't see anything because there's so much stuff. Yeah, looks like it. Oh. Ooh. All right, let's go get this hole drilled. Yeah, that looks good. Oh! Should probably move the stuff in here. Well, that was easy. She's thin. Now, if you're gonna put a through hole and the boat's got bottom paint, you gotta get it off. I love this whiz wheel. Alright, now I can glue it in. Got it in. Couldn't really film that part. I had to tape it so it wouldn't fall out because I'm alone. So I had to run. Ooh, Amazon. Alright, I got it glued down. Let me get this stuff on. Get that valve on. That's 90. And then the magic nipple that I found in the van. And then I can put that Livewell pump on. And then I just got to run new hose for the bilge and put the new bilge through holes and then wire everything up. And then I don't know what he's wanting to do with this, but this is going to be way better than that giant sea chest that's in here that is for sale. Not sure what he wants for it, but I'm sure if you make an offer on here, I can let him know and I'll probably take it. Alright, we got both Livewell pumps in, the bilge pumps in and mounted. I just got to mount the float switch, wire this up, connect some hoses. I gotta drill the new through holes for the bilge hose exit, but we're supposed to get some pretty gnarly thunderstorms here soon, so I'll either be back here tomorrow or finish up later. Thanks for watching. I don't know if I can even show you in here. This is gonna suck. So that's the old two bilge hoses. I gotta get these two bilge hoses off and get the old through holes out. Yeah, you can't even see in there. Great. Well, first, I'm gonna cut this stuff and get it out of my way. Whoever uses this as bilge hose, there's words I want to say, but I'm not allowed. On the outside, I got three through holes out there that I need to look at. We're gonna be getting into this wiring maybe starting tomorrow afternoon or Wednesday afternoon. Just waiting for a few more things so I can go full steam ahead on her. Oh. Well, I was right. I did feel 3 of them. I think this one and this one, these 2 need to come out. Oh, I don't know. Seems like this whole boat, I gotta take everything apart. Cool, that's throughable for no reason. I honestly don't even know. This used to be a bucket. Alright, I'm gonna end it off here. I want to know what you guys think I should do. I'm not gonna struggle. I think I'm gonna maybe put a bigger door here or something bigger up here. That might be better. I don't know. Let me know what you think.